How to download Google Gemini app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to download and install Google Gemini app, first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device. As you do that, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Gemini over here. So let's search for Gemini app, and here you can see Google Gemini. So simply tap on install and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So with proper connection, there will be faster downloading of the app over here. So you can simply see the app is installing over here. So you can simply tap on open as it has passed all the security tests. So as you tap on open, it will land us to the main page of Google Gemini. So what you can simply do is you can log in using your any of the Google account. So you can say I've already logged in using my Google account, and that's how you can install it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.